A contract template is a contract that can be sent over and over again without having to recreate it every time you want to send a new copy of it. Instead of writing and/or copy-pasting the same contract each time you send it to a client, you can create the contract as a template. Templates allow you to specify placeholder fields within the contract text that you will be able to provide values for when sending it to a client. The benefit here is you save time and energy each time you want to create and send a new contract, yet you still have the flexibility and power to ensure each one is customized with appropriate names, amounts, or any other fields you may have specified. Let's get started. Navigate to the Contracts page by clicking the side navigation menu and choosing Contracts. Then click the Templates tab. By default, Photocog provides several templates for you. To create a new template, click the Create Template button. When prompted, give this template a name to identify it later. I'll name this one General Wedding Contract. The Additional Signers field is a way to specify how many signers are involved in addition to you and your client. The Category field is simply a way for you to categorize your templates. I'll choose Wedding. Finally, click the Create button to create the template. From here, the template is created and you will be taken to the Details page where you can edit it. I have an existing wedding contract from a contract attorney stored as a Word document on my computer. I'll copy and paste the content of that document here. Remember, the purpose of a template is to reuse it over and over again, yet make each copy of it personalized to whoever it is being sent to. This is where placeholders come in. A placeholder represents a small piece of the contract that will be swapped out for some other value when you create a copy of the template and send it to a client. As you can see with this contract, I have several fields I need to convert to placeholders so that it can be customized for each of my clients. To create a new placeholder, click the Placeholder dropdown and choose Add. I'll give the placeholder a name and indicate what data type it represents. You can choose text, for example, a client's name, or you can choose date, for example, the date of a photo shoot. I have several that I'll add now. The first I'll add is client name, which I'll create as a text field. Next, I'll add one for the date the photo shoot will take place. I will call this shoot date and identify it as a date. Since I've demonstrated how to create placeholders, I'll pause this video and add a few more that I need off screen. Now that I've added my placeholders, I'm going to insert these into the template. To do so, I'll simply place them in the appropriate locations. I'll insert one for the client's name, the shoot date, the venue address, and the start time. As you can see, placeholders are marked as bold red values to easily identify anytime you edit this template. These are the pieces that will be swapped out with actual values later when you create a copy of this template and send it to a client. I'm going to take another moment off screen and add a few more. There, I've added a few more that I need for this particular contract, to include a 50% deposit amount, hourly rate, and the deposit due date. As you can see, signatures will appear at the bottom. If you have additional signers, they will go here as well. To save the template, click Save. One last thing to mention is that you can always delete or edit one of your custom templates from the template page by clicking the cog icon on a particular template. Note, however, that you cannot delete Photocog defaults. To hide these and show only the ones you created, click on the checkbox that says Exclude Photocog Templates. That's it! The next video will demonstrate how to send a copy of a template to your client. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our support team and have a great day.